When you click on your course, it should open up to a home page that should look the same in most every course you have. So when we open it up, you should see this. Now, depending on which course you have, this banner at the top may be different and more course specific, but the buttons below should be the same. So you've got two sets. The blue buttons on top are going to be course specific information, while the gray buttons on the bottom are CEI resources, institutional resources, that may be helpful at some point throughout the semester. So let's go through each really quickly here. So we'll click on Start Here, and that will open up to a welcome page. This may be used the first day or the first week. It should give you your course outcomes as well as what you need to do just to get started in the course. Go back to Home. The next button is Course Content. This should open up straight to your content area, meaning you've got week 1 with all the content and activities, week 2, week 3, on and on and on. That can also be accessed over here on the sidebar on modules. Go back home, and the next button is Syllabus. You can click on Syllabus. That will open up, of course, to your syllabus where your teacher will have all of the information filled out. We put it on the homepage so that you can just see that really quickly throughout the semester. And again, that one's on the sidebar as well, Syllabus. The last course-specific button is Instructor Contact Info, which you may need throughout the semester. So this is just a place where your instructor will be able to put a little bio about themselves, as well as their phone number, email, office hours, all that information, so that you can have that. On the next set of buttons, the Student Services. This will open up to a page where you've got links to things that you may need at some point throughout the semester. Financial aid, the library, the bookstore, mental health services, lots of different things that may be useful for you. The Canvas Student Guides button will open up to a page where you can get help guides to anything related to Canvas. So if you're having trouble with assignments, you can click on How do I view assignments as a student? And you can scroll down and they're really simple step-by-step directions. The next button is Library Resources, and this just opens up to the library homepage where you have all that information. The same with the IT Help Desk, so if you run into computer issues, click on that button and it will give you information where they can give you a hand. So that's the homepage. I hope that that's useful for you.